Cuz, ready to go catch some fish, baby?
Yeah.
Miami, welcome to which fishing team, honey?
The two Cuckoos!
The two Cuckoos fishing team. And we are in a beautiful Marin sport fish. It's about how many foot seas?
50.
50 knots, baby. Nope, we have about 7 foot seas out here. And we're going to go try and catch some billfish that are bigger than us, way more than us. So, wish us luck. Ready, Cuckoo?
I'm ready, Cuckoo.
Cuckoo power!
Cuckoo power!
Woo! Cuckoo! I need to just fuck her off. On our way out in gale force winds. What a perfect day for fishing in Miami.
Hey!
Jesse, are you gonna catch some fish today?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
All right.
Oh, wait a second. Hold on a second.
Oh my
I
God.
have none of that here.
It is pumping. Woo. All right.
Oh, no, wait.
Cuckoo. Ah! Are you cuckoo for fishing? You're lying. Your nose is growing.